Let's start by making a magic circle like this, and you need to put a slip knot to the magic circle to secure it. So insert the hook into the magic circle, grab the yarn, pull through, grab the yarn and pull through the loop. So now this is our magic circle, and we are going to crochet 8 single crochet into the magic circle. So I will show you how to do that. Insert the hook into the magic circle, grab the yarn, pull through, grab the yarn and pull through too. So we have just completed our first single crochet. And the second one, insert the hook into the magic circle, grab the yarn and pull through, grab the yarn and pull through too. So we have just completed our first 2 single crochet into the magic circle. So you can continue it until you get 8 single crochet in the magic circle and meet me after that. Now I have completed 8 single crochet into the magic circle. Now you can pull this tail to close the magic circle like this. After that, put a slip stitch to finish the round 1. Now we have 8 single crochets around, and we have just completed the row 1. So we are starting the row 2. On this row you have to make 1 single crochet to the first stitch, and 3 single crochet together to the next stitch. When you are working on this row, make sure that you are working over this tail. One, 2, and 3. So 3 single crochet together to the second stitch. So the third stitch is going to be 1 single crochet, and the fourth one 3 single crochets together. 1, 2, and 3. So the next one is going to be 1 single crochet, and then to the next stitch 3 single crochets together. 1, 2, and 3. Then the next stitch is going to be 1 single crochet, and then to the next stitch 3 single crochets together. One, 2, and 3. Then one more stitch is left over here, so you have to work one single crochet into that stitch, and then the round 2 is over. So you can put a slip stitch to the first stitch we have done on round 2 and finish the round 2. Now we are going to start the third row. So that is going to be like this. So to the next stitch, you do a single crochet, and to the stitch after that, 3 single crochets together. 1, 2 and 3. Then 3 single crochets to each one of these next stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Then we have come to the corner, so you have to do 3 single crochets together. 1, 2 and 3. Then again 3 single crochets to each one of these 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Then to the next one, the corner, you have to do 3 single crochets together. 1, 2 and 3. Then 3 single crochets to each one of the next 3 stitches. 2 and 3. Then the corner, 3 single crochets together. 1, 2 and 3. Then you need to do 2 more single crochets to each one of these 2 next stitches, and then a slip stitch to the next stitch. Now we have completed the row 3 and we are going to start the 4th row. So you do 1 single crochet to the next stitch, 1 single crochet to the next stitch, and 3 together to the 3rd stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Then you need to do 5 single crochets to each one of the next 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3 4 and 5, and then you have come to the corner, so you do 3 single crochets together. Just like the same, you have to continue up to here. 5 single crochets to next 5 stitches, 1 for each, and when you come to the corner, you do 3 single crochet together, and 5 single crochet, 3 single crochet together, and you can continue up to here, and I will meet you back there. Now I have come up to here and then the corner, 3 single crochet stitches together, 1, 2, and 3. Then you have to make 3 single crochets to each one of these 3 stitches, 1, 2, and 3, then a slip stitch to this stitch. After that, you can grab the yarn and pull through like this, and just cut off the yarn. Now take your yarn needle and insert the needle to few stitches like this, and thread the needle to pull it through the stitches. After that, you can just cut the yarn off. Then take your jump ring, hook ear wire, eye pin, and the bead. Now insert the wooden bead into the eye pin and take your plier to make a loop like this. And you can cut the excess piece of wire and then insert the hook ear wire to this and secure it with the plier. Okay. Then take the open jump ring and open it up using the plier, and you can insert the open jump ring to a corner of the earring. Insert the open jump ring to the last row like this. One of the stitches in the last row, and insert this piece also into the open jump ring and secure that with the plier. Now we have just completed the earring. Hope you too will make this. And if you have any question regarding this, you can just comment on the section below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.